up everybody, thank you for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Little Mix Think About Us on the acoustic guitar. Now before you do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video useful please give it a thumbs up as we go along. As always, any comments, any sort of recommendations, anything you want to get off your chest, please put in the comments box below and I'll answer any ones I can. Right then, so to play this song you're going to need a capo on the 3rd fret, and the reason we need a capo is to keep it as beginner friendly as possible. So capo across the 3rd fret, and it's all in standard tuning, so no special tuning for that. So you're going to need to know a handful of chords, and those chords are A minor, F major, now I'm playing it as a bar chord but you can play it like this, C major, and E minor. Now do bear in mind that we have got a capo across the 3rd, so when I say E minor, it's not actually an E minor, it's actually a G minor because of the capo. However, we're talking about the positions, we're talking about the chords that we know already from the 1st position, so just imagine that capo is your 1st position at the top of the neck. So let's go and have a look at our A minor. Those are the same chords, by the way, all the way through the track. Same 4 chords all the way through. So it starts off obviously with the vocals, and we've just got 1 strum, 2, 3, 4, and 4 counts on the A minor. Those of you who don't know how to play A minor, I'm going to explain it now. So we've got our 1st finger, 2nd string, 4th fret, 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the 4th string, and then 3rd finger is going to be tucked underneath on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. I'm going to strum from string number 5 down, and we're going to count 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to move to our F major. And the F major is, we're going to bar strings 1 and 2 on the 4th fret. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the 5th fret of the 3rd string. And we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. And then we're going to use our thumb over the top of the 4th fret on the 6th string, the thickest string. You can play it as a bar chord if you feel more comfortable, or you can play it as a sort of an open chord. You're going to hold that for 4 counts. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we move to our C major. 2, 3, 4, and hold that for 4 counts. And the C major is 1st finger, 2nd string, 4th fret, 2nd finger, 5th fret, 4th string, and our 3rd finger is on the 6th fret of the 5th string. And we're going to strum from string number 5 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to our E minor. E minor is 2nd finger, 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger tucked underneath on the 5th fret of the 4th string. All 6 strings for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our introduction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And on the track it does that twice. And then it goes into the same chords, but rhythmically it's changing with our right hand. Now, it's that sort of Latino. Now, I'm going to try and do that with our right hand. Now, what I'm doing, I'm actually doing open strings as well, so I'm going. So it's down, up, down, up, down. And what I'm doing as well is that I'm palm muting some of those strings, just to feel a bit more control over what I'm doing with my right hand. Right, and I'm going to do that for every chord, so I'm going to go. Now, if you want to do it without the chords, just get that rhythm right. So you're turning the guitar almost into a bit of a percussion instrument. Let's add those chords back in. You're probably noticing on that C, I'm going. All I'm doing is rocking the third finger and the second finger. Just going. That is the same chords all the way through. So if you want to use the backing track as a reference, listen to the Little Mix track and try and play along with it as well. So the best thing to do, listen to the track, listen to the transitions, see where the intro comes in, that's obviously at the beginning, see where the verses come in, and then see where it changes from the chorus back into the verse. Because it's only 4 chords, the way you deliver it on the guitar is important, so you need to differentiate your playing. And you do that by obviously letting chords ring out, using your right hand muffling the string, palm muting, all those sort of things. So have a go, have a little experiment, and let me know how you get on. So thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you found it useful, please give us a thumbs up, and I shall see you again very soon.